In this video, we are going to see how we can turn off the post sharing on the TikTok stories. So if you don't want to allow your post to be shared as stories by other people, here's how you can easily disable that option. So what we need to do is just head over to the profile icon from the bottom right hand corner, and from here we click on the three lines at the top right, and from here we click on settings and privacy. Just scroll down a little bit until you land to the interactions section right here, and here basically we click on the reuse of content. If you don't want the other people to do it with you, stitch your videos, create stickers with your post, or add your post or comments to the stories, as you can see it's all mentioned down here. You can just turn this to only friends, and you can also limit those friends as well. Like, let's say that we have just limited it to the followers you follow back, so you can limit your following back, and that way you can disable that. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.